When I sing na futhi but ayengisaba ibhedi the way bengibhedi ngakhona. Okay
Yeah.
ngizoba staba utaba nabushintsha into ozala unabo, you understand?
Yeah.
Ngizoba nje ngizoba umkhulu loyo oyobakhathela. Because chem into engisho ngayo umhlaba uyongiklapa. Uyongishaya shem and angikho ready.
Awukho ready yet.
That's why ngithi futhi at least futhi plus asifiki na ku futhi. Mara safika. Sikhona isitabano sathi sina futhi.
Abobaba.
Yes. Abo abadala and ebuhlungu thini abathi hey intokazi or like umuntu vela ngene straight to the point ngesithombe asenomlakala kongaka baba hayi shaya and bangishaya ngabuya ngizala kule podcast uyangikhapha se police station sombophisa because yo lamntana uyaklapa kadlala oh sengiphaka ngaka Jema mama ndiwani IQ level elo ngakhona the way mama isidididi ngakhona the way angondle ngakhona the way yena ku account yakhe kune 30, something thousand ngakhona mina ngubana engize ngendawo ngempilo
You.
shuthi ukungondla kwakhe bekuyilokho
Yeah.
athenga amakota nje ukudlo ngidlile kwakhe bekuyikota nale time lesibesi lapha
Yeah.
senza inwele wathenga iplate
Yeah.
yeah kuphela nani yeah only and ngaka namhla yiloko kudla ngibone nje ngondlekile today iloko kudla lokho like ngisasuthi namanje ngagcina lapho ukudla mina oh
Hey yo, what up, good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not alone. I'm joined by Ice Pop Khumalo. Kunjani?
ngiyaphila unjani
Ngiyaphila nami. Welcome to Mepo Media.
ngiyabonga
Yeah, ne?
yeah
And I'm very excited to have you on the show. I've been longing to have you on the show, but I'm glad finally ukwazile ukuthi ufike.
ngiyabonga
Yeah. And if like you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Yeah. Nkonjeli, there was this thing that was trending. Ukuthi Ice Pop wasehulwethu. Umuphi lo Ice Pop loyo?
wase ulwethu lo hlezi phezulu kwale sofa
How masona buthe Ice Pop wasebox or
ngidlala
something?
khona umlungu engifana naye apparently abantu abacabanga ukuthi ngifana naye you understand
Okay.
so because abantu abamnyama banelengqondo yokuthi umlungu huye that's why bathi wasehulwethu shuthi lo la wasenizamsi mina lo
Shutho akuphi?
nizamsi cause ngizothini
Yo, ayale. Yo. Two umuntu ongamazi Ice Pop. Ice Pop ubani ndosuka kuphi vena?
Ice Pop umfana wasekahle
Yeah.
asho Ice Pop umntana sekahlong usuka ekahlehong angisho age amne
Okay.
angidisclose very confidential usuka ekahlehong yeah I mean can't do nice about yena shem Ice Pop kuphela ayikho into amazing kangako Ice Pop
How? Awungitshele mfethu. Which was the first video owatrenda ngayo?
you're the first video
Yeah, if you still like remember back then which was the first video nje owatrenda
Oh.
ngayo?
first angisakhumbuli sham angifuni ukucambela manga
Yeah, ne?
angisakhumbuli phela ngaqala kwenza ama video 5 years back
5 years.
yes
Damn. So lento content creation uyiqale kudala mos.
dala abaziyo bayazi akungidumi manje kudala ngikhona
Okay. Yo, wow. And then how did you manage to grow your followers? Like to someone maybe who's just trying their because there are people who are posting consistently but still they are not winning.
mele kube into ephakathi kwakho like uyifeel every time uyenza uyifeel ukuthi hayi yabona manje like uyayizwa like kube spiritual uyizwa ukuthi hayi ngokomoya ngiyayizwa and actually it's not a matter of having ama likes amaningi nabe ngwenza ama video noma ngabe bathi ngithola ama likes ayi2 kusasa futhi ngiyenza na after like nje bengakhathali benganandaba ukuthi ibukela ubani ilike ubani ungayiboni nje angikazi as long benye into bengifuna bengiyazi phela nje.
Was there a point whereby you used to get like 2 likes?
Yeah.
Serious?
And
When
nakhona
okay?
bokumamami no siska mamami no mama se next door bebayi3 then comment out Antwami bokuyifamily nje into yomndeni encane. Uyayibona?
Then yo to what it is today.
Oh ngisebenzile mina shem. Oh too much.
Yeah, ne? But you had to put a lot of work like to get where you are.
Yo beksekho yabona ke ngingizama ngomama unjahile bese I was at the point where bangipusha ku grade because bese ngifocus ku TikTok kakhulu kula khona bengiqala ukutrenda so lento yokutrenda bese ingena engqondweni like bese ngizibona ngimatheba of the story. You understand bengasafuni nokufunda enhle nje bengazingeni ezesikolo as long ngiyenzile ama video ngaposta ngisharp ka vibe.
When did you realize ukuthi like you've got motion and people love you?
Sana namanje ngaka realize sana
Seriously?
kampela nasho ngithatha ay like ayikuthi ngithatha kancane or something ne yakhathaza ayikho into ekhathaza njengalento engiyenzayo empilweni like iyakhathaza as much as ngithanda iyakhathaza sometimes nokufila ngathi awuzanke wayiqala iTikTok ever ngabe bathi bengingeke iTikTok
Njengoba kunabantu abafisa ukuba uwe.
Yakhathaza akusumdlalo wabantwana lo yakhathaza nje kabuhlungu kabi.
Okay, awungitshele because ngifuna ukwazi about Ice Pop. Firstly, what's your real name? Let's first start there.
My name is Thembilani.
Okay.
Ayanda Khumalo / Buthelezi.
/ Buthelezi. Ubuthelezi ungena kanjani manje?
Sibongo saka baba Mthelezi. Like ngubuthelezi mina ngisungukhumalo. Bangihlawula bayenza everything but asang bashintsha ibongo. You understand? So ngasebenzisa kakhumalo nakhona ngoba vele ngithanda so esakabuthelezi. Ngathi siza angazi nani nomkhokha. Hey dinaka.
Siza nomkhokha wani manje?
Esengizole bazongidisowner ekhaya ngiyadlala ngadlala.
Okay. There was this one of your videos whereby you were saying uyibhedi. Do you consider yourself a bedi now like?
No but ngibhedi. No like uyazibonela akusi question ongayibuza uyangibona ukuthi like uyababa lo mtata. Yababa bida kabuhlungu kabi.
What is the bedi kahle kahle according to wena?
Ice Pop.
Serious?
This girl ngiyadlala angisingibhedi yo. Anye ngide ngithi ngibhedi. Kuya ngami shem afuthi nakhona ngiyazibiza nje ngoba nakhu igama elikhona. Angisingibhedi phela amabhedi yabo sayeni Sinti Makhathini yayibona angisingibhedi shem ngiyazama ngaloko kusemandleni wami. Angisingibhedi.
Yeah. I know. Nyakuze, and then let's get into your life. Ukhule nobani? Kahle kahle. And how was it like growing up nje? How is your upbringing kahle kahle?
Okay, ngikhuliso bani? Ngikhule nobani? Like nje abantu bebakhona mangilo ngikhulu.
Yeah.
Okay, bengihlala nomama nobaba before bahlukana. Then yazi mshado kwayenzakala ama ups and downs bahlukana. Then ngama ngihlala kokwami. From I think grade 6 if I'm not mistaken. No, grade 6 from grade 6 till ke ngiloko ngihlala kokwami siswami kokwami nosiswami no malume wami nomkhulu wami kahle kahle buti ka kokwami. They are so loving, supportive. Ujana ngikhula angihlalanga naye. Ujana phela mina mangihlala kokwami bekahlala nabazali bami. Mina like bengulomntana like ongazwani nje nabazali like into enabazali phakathi bengidina so kokwami ngiyazi mangize ekhaya lapha kokwami yonke into engifunayo ngiyithola into like nje nakhona abazali bami bahlala cooking back then like ngicongibheke ayikabi but like ngicongibheke emkhukhwini mina a home like ahle angizwisisi leyo part so nje bekungasi vibe yami leyo.
Yo, so like from dala like umuntu othanda like mhlambe fancy lifestyle
Exactly.
and stuff.
Exactly. And ebuhlungu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakayilethi imali yokuthi ngiphile i-fancy lifestyle. And uyabona ukuthi ngiyayithanda. Oh.
Ngitshela ine wrong ukuhlala emkhukhwini.
Ayikho into wrong ne but akumelanga nje sishaye isifuba uthi hayi ngihlala emkhukhwini ushaye. Akusi achievement ukuhlala emkhukhwini akusinto imbi. Okay. Akusinto ngoba unalo i-shelter yokuthi ulale wenzene but nje akusinto enhle at the same time. Akumelanga ushaye isifuba ngokuthi nginelikwami imkhukhu. Zama ukwakha. Ayikabi yo ayish. Oh. Ayikabi ngomoya phansi.
But besides lokho abazali bakhe yini beba straight mhlambe because ugogo like obviously usho ukuthi bekakwenzela noma yini lebekakwenzela nogogo wakho ubungayitholi ngale ku mamakho nobabakho.
Abazali bami bangikho strict like bebangisebenzisa like angithandi ukusebenza one thing about ayikuthi like ish angithandi ngiyekela uku decorate angithandi ukusebenza like nje yima ngidala ngithi kuma siblings wami lawa apart from ubhuti wami omdala kulawa ayithu alandelayo yimi ngimdala so bengenza everyday mangibe esikoleni kumele ngiwashe kumele ngiclean indlu if kungcolile ngiwashe izitsha ngenzele abantu i-15 like understand bangenze i-housemates angisi housemate angikhumbuli ngibhala ngisayina ama form ngizoba i-housekeeper so ngathi angiyenzi leyo ngihamba ngihlala gogo wami vele khona usisi wami uyaklina normal mama uyaklina nami ngiyaklina sancedisana sonke sibadalwa understand exactly like ukuthi nje laba sekungifika sekuthola khona labantwana sekumele ngibanakekela yo sicefe ngikhona
aw
anifa into engeke ngikhona nje leyo
haw mhlambe kodwa umama wakho like bekakufundisa mhlambe ukuthi ukwazi like ukucleana kupheka zonke lezo zinto lezi yini bero Edward Cost why kumele size mawukhula uyabona ukuthi oh umama uyaklina sho ukuthi nami one day ngizoclean asikho nje isidingo sokuthi baze bathi hamba uyo ngizocleana ngumntana ngiunderstand but not my ukuthi like seku oh awuklina ngapha klina uyabo angisho ukuthi banjalo no abekho njalo at all no but nje ukukhunjuzwa every after 30 minutes ukuthi awenzanga enye into enye into shem ayikabi so ungathini kumuntu like umamele mhlawumbe ungacabanga ukuthi hayi ngathi icepopu lazy mos
ucabanga iqiniso lazy friend oh lazy isiceve I'm so lazy angifuni nje ukucama manga yo ngilazy yo lazy son oh, I'm so lazy shem ukuya emall ne for example kusuka ekhaya emall I think it's 1 kilometers away ngiyabholda yes and ibolt angeni nemall maso emall ukuthi like ubuyele endlini ngiyaphuma nje kwesinye istrata company ngokhele distance ukuthi ngiyofuna estrata la kuzofika ibolt ngithatha ngisekhaya ukuwalka nje into engayiboni no yo lazy nje isiceve
showfisa ngathi mhlambe unemoto yakho
yo imoto indlu ama housemates i10 like nje angenzi anything
ufuna ukuklinelwa
oh if but maybe bekupossible ukuthi ukwazi ukuphuza amapilisi ugezeke benyo wathenga kube isitake singaka ngadlala yo hayi ngiyazithanda ukusithanda ngiyazithanda but nje oh kusebenza yini into like into engihlezi ngisho ukuthi noma bangibuza ukuthi makhulu ufuna kuba yini like mangikhula ngifuna kuba nemali ukuthi iyobe iqhamukapi angazi because angeke mina ngize ngisebenze 9 to 5 ever in my life
serious
never
why
I believe ukuthi ngizoba nemali but ukuthi ngithatha phe angazi not kuma 9 to 5 macabanga sengivuke ekseni ngo5 silwela ukuthi sogeza khona abavukayo baye esikoleni silwela no akusive vibe yami leyo ever
so after like uqeda isikolo what are your plans
what are my plans
yes.
Oh singithi ngiqeda isikolo namhlanje
okay
ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento eyenzekayo like you understand
okay
maybe 2 weeks after ala vele ngiyahosta every week like nje angiziboni ngibuyele esikoleni mangiceda isikolo ngifocusa emalini then mase nginemali ngizobuyela esikoleni mase ngina 40 sengikhathele sephelile ubutabane yase kusengumkhulu okhathele then ngiyafunda ke ngithola ama qualifications
Yo. But
ngicayfe isikole.
But like people in your community, like they're very smart and they've got this mindset to if I finish school, maybe like I wanna pursue my like I wanna study further or pursue my goals, like or my career whatsoever.
Ukuba smart into esegazini shame.
Ane?
Hayi kuyitabani into esegazini angifuni uqamba mama into nje esegazini mase laba basho kanjalo ke ishuthi kahle kahle asingithi mina I was not born to be ukuthi ngibe gay bekumele ngabe nhlehle ngiyintombazana. You understand? Because na kuphela isitabane sokuqala esingafuni ukuyofunda sothi like
manje mawuso na 40 buyaphela ubutabane.
I'm not sure angithi sobona senginafuthi but ayengisaba ibhedi the way bengibhedi ngakhona okay ngizoba isitaba ukutabana abushintsha into zalunabo you understand?
Yeah.
Ngizoba nje ngizoba umkhulu loyo oyobakhathele because chem into engisho ngayo umhlaba uyongihlaba uyongishaya shem and angikho ready.
Awukho ready yet.
That's why ngithi 40 at least 40 plus asifiki na ku 40 mara safika sikhona isitabano sathi sina 40
Yeah,
ukile khona scores ukuyasibona
usomizi.
Usomizi.
Yeah, some. Yeah.
Okay, apart from usomizi khona esinye kwasibona exactly
Umushuna ngani?
yiloyo naloyo
Umushendiki.
maybe 30 something.
Angathi ngo 30 umushe.
Yeah, but he's heading forward, I think.
Hayi ke lucky him.
Ha, lucky him.
Ngangibona ukuthi nifika ku 30. Ngiyadlala ngizofika hayo ngiyadlala. Ngizofika. Ngizofika kona ukufika.
Okay, and then let's get into this. When did you realize ukuthi kahle kahle you are gay? Like you were born like this or it changed? Like mhlambe what happened?
Ayibine realization ke le ndaba akumelanga uze urealize uphuma esiswini wazi ukuthi uyisitabani just that ukuthi wena ke sekukhane usifigure out ukuthi why like khane uzithola ukuthi okay kushuthi ngithanda lo yamfana because nangu girl angiratisisi but lo ya i-vibe yami understand mina and the funny part ke angizange aze ngakhama out nokhama out ukuthi ngihlala nobaba mphansi ngitshela ukuthi baba ngisitabane shemayikabi next
Kwenzakaleni?
from a young age from ngisasemncane like nje amabasho I was like 5 years old ngifake bengibhinqe ithabula ngithanda ukucula ingoma zesonto ngapha ingoma zomshado ngizenza omakoti apparently mabasho yena semna ngisakhumbuli though
Yeah,
but nje dala ngakuqala shem yo dala futhi ayikuthi ngakuqala kudala nje ngizwe from ngizalwa mina ke
so you've never like interested like
ever yo angidina kabi futhi ama girls
Mawubabona like ubabona mhlambe as friends nje.
yeah chomnyami
Then ama gents
yo ngabona njengama fine shit like nje umhlaba ngibona ukuthi o revolve around abafana abafana impilo hle oh like
Yeah.
what a concept.
Okay. Sitsheleke phela ngo mawuqala ukuthanda umfana lapha. Bune minyaka emingaki lapha.
Mina I think ngabathana if not grade 1 2 ngiyacabanga I think bengina 8 okudala ngisifela ngama boys yo kudala
Yeah.
dala shomi dala yeah maybe bengifuna grade 1 dala
Should uqala ukudate ufunda grade 1.
benga date exactly bengiba admire
Oh.
then maybe ukudate ngiqale grade 6
Yeah.
lapho ke bese ngibona
Okay.
So kuyenzeka ukuthi uthole igay join lelinye igay. Is it possible?
kanjani angithi ayahlukana
Ahlukana kanjani?
khona ibottom khona i-top umfana ku relationship like umfana sayazi but ku relationship uexa njengendoda
Yes.
then ibottom ke abupopi abogalo like nje ama girls ku relationship
So
Yeah.
wena we bottom nje.
yo like fully yo ngibottom kabuhlungu kabi but hayi ukuthi ngibottomela abantu no ngibottom nje ilo yenza umemulo
Awu.
memulo ayibo wayini mangala memulo memulo
Then tell me about the first time like uqala ukujola. What happened then? Bakushela, wamshela umfana. What happened?
ngiyashelo ngiyamke like okay oh mangicala ukujola bengingasi grade 6 nginamanga grade 6 bengisaba admireisha because bangishayile kungasikudala I think grade mangicela ungena high school ke bangishayile like ngashayelwa futhi bese ngiqalile TikTok abafana ke one thing about abafana basidle
Basile kanjani?
yo abafana basidle okay lo bangishayela angena esikoleni bengiyinto nje engana direction ngimbashe like sengisizwa ukuthi ngenza TikTok angifuni ucama manga grade 8 bengimbashile bengiyinto like angazi bekwenzakalani ngami yezwa like umfana angibhulisha angenzani grade 9 wangishela ngamvuma ngakhohlwa nokuthi ukile wangibhulisha one thing about abafana yami bakwenza ukhohlwe nokuthi wakuthuka ngabazali ukhohlwa everything as long umfana sekala
Wamqoma.
hayibo angizomenzani umntana abantu isono like dala ngamxolela mos anyways
So kunalento leyo ukuthi kunama gents like ayifihlayo especially ku social media nanokuhlampa abafuna ukubonakala benani but late at night ay
busy
is it true lento le? Do you get DMs like from
yo nabo baba ke
abo baba?
yes abo baba abadala and ebuhlungu thini abathi hey intokazi or like umuntu vela ngene straight to the point ngesithombe asenomlakala kongaka baba hayi abo babenu
Yo
siyazi
then wena besu react kanjani?
angry yazi ke mina cause nami ngisile
Yeah.
ngimuphi vibe ngimuphe vele vibe like ngiloku ngivibe naye ngivibe naye ngithole into engifuna maketa ngithathe ngisendele abangani bami then abangani bami bazobona ukuthi bayenzani sometimes ngiposta na kuma stories ngamabomu
Usendani wena umlakalaka?
ubani
Kubangani bakho?
umlakalaka kababa ukuthi babone ukuthi ubabeni phela sekayenze sona so then abangani bathi hayibo yabona kuba nje itopic
Kanjani
nice
manje?
kahle
Uyam expose almost.
exactly wena wayizwa ngitext ubaba maqedwe uzongisendela imilakalaka uthatha ibhile izinto ezisinako zenzayo cause uziphethe nje buchapha kanjalo awuhambiselani nami
What's your type?
yo my type
Yeah.
umfana unemali like iba nemali ube muhle like angizwani la ukuthi unempatho
Awuzwani nempatho?
not ukuthi angizwani nempatho ne but
Yeah.
mabangasi nangumfana onempatho ende
Yeah.
mubi nangumfana onemali muhle
Yeah.
ngikhethe onemali omuhle noma ngabe uyashayina it's okay because emol ayengiphatha impatho like ayengishute nempatho ayishuta impatho you understand
Yeah.
exactly so umfana nje omuhle like mina I go for looks inkinga yami leyo
Like is it light skinned gents or
dark
noma ngaba dark?
oh like tall and handsome types yami
Okay. And then have you ever like been bullied like because of
yo
being gay? How was it like at school?
it was
Wasibuyisele
bad
lapho.
it was bad futhi more especially primary school grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 grade 4 grade 5 it was good it like beku right angizange ngathola nje bekungana abantu aba homophobic okay bakhona obviously but awubana cause it was not that bad understand because bengihlala ifirst floors so bebangiprotecta kahle cause yabona mos ekasi ne manje ufunda esikoleni ufunda like nibaningi esikoleni si1 so una protectana so mina ke plus ekhaya bekune crash ke efirst floors kune crash bekune crash so abasuke ecrash bayifunda kulesa sikolo iprimary bebafunda ekhaya so ke bebangiprotecta once wangithuka wenzani ngilanda lo uyaklapha nje bengiyiboss grade 6 ngazofunda la eKatlehong ngazofunda la eKatlehong kusho ukuthi kulesikole lesi bengifuna kuso grade 1 you understand ngaphuma phakathi nonyaka grade 1 bayingifaka first class ngabuyela grade 6
First floor sikuhlala bani?
hlala ikhawuma mama
Oh, okay.
ngabuyela grade 6 kulesa sikolo bas ngathi bebangifilisa ukuthi ubuyeleni because plus so ubuya sebabadala ngithi bofuna naba grade 1 maye sebabadala sebashintshile bebangenzani kulesa sikolo yo futhi grade 7 yo Oh. Bengachami namanje mina angichami esikoleni.
Hayibo.
Serious. Angikazi angikwazi amathwalo sesikole sami kanjani.
Why?
Angeni.
But now you're famous and people love you. So
They do ne but also
Yeah.
like into engitshela ukuthi ayengize ngene like ayengise ngizodakwa ukuthi okay language askis ukuthi mayise uISPOP into like engitshela kuyona ukuthi angeni
Yeah.
angeni like laba abantwana besikolo one thing about abantwana besikolo basile bayaharasana abantwana besikolo abancane nje ukuthi ungene etoilet bavula umnyango ngamabomu or baphushe kakhulu which is ikila yenzeka kimi.
serious.
Yes, ngichame toilet bangena abafana. Angithi uyabona amathoto abafana kanjani. Khona la uma khona. So angichameli lapho mina ngena phakathi toilet bathi asifuna ukubona ukuthi wenzani, ngichama kanjani. Baphusha lo mnyango.
Ewe.
Bangakanani? Ngabapha nje ishow ephelele.
Oh, so awungeni kwi toilet lamantombazana.
Amantombazana ayaphapha ngizingishila inkinga yayo ukuthi
Yeah.
asifeel comfortable. Ayibo. Babe, ngizokwenzani?
Manje mawuphethe umchamo uncamela ukuthi uzibuyele endlini.
Yes.
Yeah.
But ayikuphilise kabuhlungu lento le.
Kabhlu yo ekhaya bayazi mina mangizongena ekhaya gate livaliwe ngiliphushela le ngishisa isikhwama lapho ngihamba nge-toilet immediately sebayenze nepiece bayazi bayenze nepiece bandla they know ayike into abazoyenza anyways.
Yini mhlawumbe engenziwa ukulungisa leso simo kuze nani nikhululeke?
Yeah, especially wena because lento lena
I remember khona umntana bekafunda esikole bengifuna naye grade high school ngasho ukuthi bani bengifuna naye.
okay.
Uyigay shuthi bambullisha Tonyana yabo. So wabiza umama ke baze officeini. Mabaze officeini kanjalo wathi umama kaMntana lo okay udemanda ukuthi bayenza ama toilets like for ama gays.
And like ama teachers, like what are they saying about this bona? Like ama teachers, like in this whole situation. Have you ever tried maybe now kulumana cause I maybe bakhona abo teacher like maybe or kuluma nabo or close nabo like who can get the message there.
I'm go close ama teachers.
So
Unfortunately ayikho into engixoxa nayo.
abafuna ukusondeza because of uISPOP.
No bakhona abo teacher abakayisa understand abaze bang support like ba tshela ukuthi ba proud and whatsoever but nje ukuthi sengihlala no teacher saxoxa angiboni yenzeka.
And then if fame at school, like how is it? Like are you able to cope? Like obviously because people want to take videos with you, pictures and
Not
stuff.
esikoleni sami.
Oh, so you celeb?
Yo, we celeb le strateni not esikoleni sami. Tshela lutho yo iSPOP ungasitsheli ngalomntana thina. iSPOP esikoleni sami yo bana ndaba no ngabathi kuthatha ngivela ku generations ungangena nje bakubheke snacks kube ngalento yenza esikoleni sami ha abadlala abantwana laba yami kulesa sikolo uISPOP le ku TikTok na ku Facebook le ku social media or stratini la esikoleni umntana esikolo mangifuna i1 ngiyeza ngizocela hello qungipha1 qungibele kubhalpen. And also nami ngiziphatha kanjalo vele like yimi ngabapha lento leyo ukuthi bangazike bacabanga ukuthi maybe ngiziphathisa kwe celebrity next ngiyami line niyophakisa mina.
Oh.
Not ukuthi angina choice or something no I choice ukuthi ngilethe ikude ezi10 zepizza ngayiletha but angiyenzi kanjalo at all shem ngiyawudla umkafefe bayangazi umkafefeni ebafaneni like ngihlezi ngilapho they know. Good.
Have you dated
Quite
this girl?
naive.
Have you dated like a guy like this girl?
Yes.
Yaduma indaba yakhona.
Okay, I do manga exactly.
Okay. And like when Isha phansi kwe-carpet, what happened?
Angizasha phansi kwe-carpet umfana like wangishayela yedwa nami ngashayela ke cause vele ngi-target maqeda wangighosta angithi ngaphapha mina ngihamba ngimposta ku story ku Facebook then yabana if not I think it was 20k views that day ngalobo busuku lobo because ngajela ukuthi ngidelethile understand bese bengilike bengijabule kakhulu ukuthi indoda yami bathu yabo nakhona ngimposta ubheke emuva like vela understand fana uthumela umuntu wazongibuza ukuthi lento engiyenzayo ngithathaphi from there waphuma kimi and mina bengikone noma bengangikhulumisa umuntu makangibuza bengimtshela ukuthi hayi yeah relax and like ukuphuma kuyazi kwangithatha how many months I think 9 if not 9 10 bengimthanda la mfana lo yo angikazi ngathanda umfana so ever since ngithanda abafana angikazi ngathanda umfana so angikazi kwangithatha 9 or 10 months ukuthi ngiphume kuye and ngaphuma yazi kabuhlungu
azange like mhlawumbe ukukhulumisa after the novel wa ghost and
nonchalant ekule mfana ubunonchalant obulapha yo ayasitshela nangumfana bu but azange anything.
But it sounds like you brought this to yourself. Like kahle manikhuluma like navumelana ngani ukuthi okay angivezi and stuff.
Azange savumelana. Angithi ngishilo ngathi ngiyizi target. Ungishele that day wakhuluma nami wangihaka. Like mina ngiyasifela ngawe. Lento zokuthi sesifika la ukuthi awungiposti angambi nawe public azange safika kuleso stage. Yimi nje umntana uphaphayo. Owakhesha
should we now I'm bounded most because mawuthi uyi-easy target which means umfana ngakutshela
no I think it's target bias no sengasho nje ngoba nakho ngifuna ukusigwara I think it's target bani yo I think it's
so how long does it take if like umfana uyakushela ukuthi mhlambe abe like no like I wanna maybe sleep with you and whatever like how long
ayifiki kuleyo party ke ngisho la ngathi ngenza umemulo mathi hayibo ayifiki nje kuleyo party iphelela nje
ungamthanda kanjani angeke
ngomzimba wabani yo
awake experience nje
no
ama toys
ayenzeni hayibo ngwayenza nama umntana kaNkulunkulu mina
yo okay there was this video owayenza ya trend uthi kunzima esikoleni kuba igay especially makufika labantu laba abanika amantombazana ama pets what happened
what happened there nakhona nje bengasi ubonile ukuthi I was laughing bengasi big issue ukuthi abafana baseclass nami they joke with me like
okay
you understand so bekulento leyo ukuthi bekufika abantu bama pets so kuyikuthi into abahlezi bayenza abantu abafana baseclass nami manje babiza amantombazana yabo so they're like hayibo Themelani wena uhlaleleni phansi like sukuma na uyabizwa yabona ngithi hayi ngiyenzani mina because ngihlala nabafana yabona hayi ba emaphethini ngihlala nabafana ke khona uyiqalile angazi uyiqala kanjani bathi mawungabho wangasiblothela like mawunga phumikazi mawungaye emaphirotini unathi sokusiza kanjani yabo then ke kwahleka nami ngahleka like bekungasinto big.
Oh, it was just a joke. Oh, okay. Let's go back to abazali bakho. By accept kanjani like lento ukuthi you are gay and stuff like what happened? Like was it difficult for them to understand after they realized like cause awuzange ukhulume nabo awuzange ubatshele but mabekubona obviously maybe they did react and what was the reaction?
Especially ubaba nje because ubaba kunzima accept izinto ezinje
but also why kumele uzo accept impilo yakabani exactly like why kumele
umntana wakhe kodwa mos
no but like ngumntana wakho but impilo ya umntana wakhe
yeah
kodwa impilo
okay
so i-choice into bekanganayo ekugcineni like noma ngabathi bekangafuni kangakanani i-choice beyingekho ayikho nje i-choice ngasho ngamtshela ubaba mke ngaya kuye okay ekhaya kho babam bantu bebangibiza ngosithoko yamazi uthoko channel khona istory besilala isesitop la fonam isesitop la khona nje istory besilala isesitop la so bengithanda khona lo bekazi portray igay yobu i-character yobu game
kazobani lokufuna mhlambe enye potential nje yeah continue
so beyangibiza ngosisithoko yabo. So bekuzoba ne-meeting ekhaya. Beyozenza umsebenzi, so mawuzenza umsebenzi baba ne-meeting efamily nanani. So ngibuya esikoleni ngifase i-crop top, i-shirt. Ngenza i-crop top ngintombazane nje e-cute. Vele like bekile nto ukuthi hayi wena umfana but bekangayisho nge-enga. You understand? Bese kasho ngoba bekafuna ukungisusa emehlweni akho something yabo. Hayi wena umfana yilezi zinto zenzayo zokuhlanya nani yabo. So that day ngibuya esikoleni. Okay, angizange ngakama out akuye bese kazi bese like ngimtshela ukuthi nginje ayisekho into ozoyenza, understand?
Yeah.
Ngibuya esikoleni sharp, sisithoko, hayi ngiyathweka e-dining room bayenza. Ubani? Ngavule ngisho enzima kabi ngathweka, ngachinja makeda babami. Makungena babami, ubami ungena ngiyathweka. So ngihambe ngiyoshintsha mina ngise ekamereni balo bamtshela bathi hayi usisithoko lo noma ungayenzani Ntombazane. Awangikhipha ikamera kabami. Noma ungayenzani kumele nje uaccept, awuna choice, usisithoko lo in yabo. So mangiphuma ekamereni wangibiza ekitchen wathi vele uyavuma ukuthi usisithoko. Ngathi angina choice, like ngusisithoko, like nguye. Then ke washo ukuthi hayi ngiyakusupporta mina. From there kaze nje kwaba nenkinga. Mama mke yena shame khawu mama like dala bazi ngathi from esiswini because akekho noyi-1 engile ngamtshela. Akekho nje noyi-1 engile ngamtshela. Nokwe wangibuza ukuthi uyigay no akekho.
Then ku family member akekho owaye difficult like hayi man mhlambe wayezama mhlambe ukuconvince umama wakho ubaba wakho otherwise
Kubani? Bazali bami awanasikhathi mina as long bayivumile la bayivumile. Akekho shame. Mina ekhaya like okay not ama family members wonke. Sengikhulumela mina kha ubaba nakho mama labantu aba sesekelini yethu, you understand? Angisazi ke kwamanye ama family members la wahlala le anginandaba nawo futhi anyways.
Okay, and then in your community nakhona how was it like ukuthi because also ama-gents estradeni like saying negative words and stuff like bo-reacta kanjani kuma situation anjalo?
Into engisho ukuthi bengibizwa ngosisithoko from estratini, from kuba bhuti abahlala ekoneni bengibizwa ngosisithoko, from nje angaze nje nga-encounter into yokuthi ngisekoneni nima ngithuka nazi sitabani, no, not eKaSlam shem, angifuni ucama manga abakazi nangelanga li-1. Like they've been supportive even before TikTok. TikTok phela into zamanje ngasidala. Bona shem dala baze shem, angifuni ucama manga dala. Angithi into engisho ukuthi bebathi bengicula estradini ingoma zabomakoti nanani. Yeah.
So to mhlambe potential ebukele lapha, do you want to get married nje?
No.
Why?
Yo, mangicabanga sengishadile. Sekumele ngithanda iminyaka manje. Mina ngiyadineka phela. After 2 weeks, budi.
So ufuna lokuba
Ngishap ngevibe yeah.
Shintsha. Why?
Ayengithanda 3 weeks yonke iphelele. Ngi-8 futhi ngithi amanye ama-months hayibo. Hayibo.
Angeke
Mina yo abafana bakhathaza kanje. Abafana bayanyanyisa shemsesimane sabathanda makabafana. Hayadina yo.
Okay, ngicela ngale situation eyakho no lady Sparkles because it trended ukuthi wena allegedly obombula, and that's not what you were doing mina.
Exactly.
Abantu it's like abantu ba ede like upetrol emlilweni, then it became fire nje. What happened? Like awuzikhulumela, what happened there?
No, Lady Sparkles ne.
Yeah.
Nothing happened, to be honest. I was just reacting with video yakhe. Nakhona bengingampulish or something. Mina bengikhulumela i-piercing which is umuntu mampulisha umsuku umpulisha ngento angakwazi ukuyishintsha, understand?
Yes.
We understand. Think for example upulisha umuntu disabled anye ukwazi ukuthi ashintshe aye kuqhala then abe right, understand? Lady Sparkles lento ukuthi akhiphe ilimi makacula iya like uyakwazi ukuyishintsha akwazi ukukhuluma. So bengikhuluma into yokuthi I girl like uziphethe. Like uziphethe, understand? Like uyazizwisa ukuthi asiyenzanga thina ithanga piercing bengasinto embi na uze washo Lady Sparkles wathi azange pulisha. If uyayibheka le video yabilo wa comment after everything washo ukuthi hayi angizange ngithatha as bullying mina, you were just joking.
So abantu abashintshe the whole
exactly
idea.
and besingekho isidingo shem, like besingekho at all. Bashintsha-ke bathi you are the bully. As a gay, you must know better because you've been bullied almost your whole life. Abantu abazi kakhulu.
Yo.
Mhlawumbe
Yo. Yeah, ne. Okay. And then kwakuforced ukuthi wenze video manje yokuthi you apologize kuye and explain ukuthi kahle kahle it's not lento lena abantu abayishoyo.
ngayenza ke because bengifuna nje ukuyichaza kahle indaba ukuthi angiyona ibully cabanga sengiba ibully yo phela ngiyazi ukuthi ibullying injani sengivuka namhlanje ngidecide ukuba ibully no bengichaza ukuthi if maybe ngicabanga ukuthi bengibully because abantu baka TikTok kwanti ngapha bona banokuba amanye anakhona amancane because once bezwa istory iqala bathatha leso bazwa le indaba bayizoqala yiyo abayithathayo then wena makukhane uzane yakho khane bazobelieve sebaqede ukuyobelieve leya enhle angazi babe kanjani amamenemene nje amanya cute amamenemene nje ayikabi yo.
Okay, Phil, what do you think people love about you when like mawubheka like audience onayo? What is it like? Cause ngicabanga ukuthi yibo vela bazobakubukela. Like mhlambe omunye bazocomment ukuthi yo right mhlambe abanye babe like mina this is the reason ngimthanda iSpop. Wena yini le ucabanga ukuthi abantu bakuthandela yona?
Maybe confidence no like no gas like no gas nje angifuna mama and ngifani
Too much.
I'm fine.
So there was never a point whereby abantu basho ama negative words mhlambe to an extent ukuthi uzube nane low self esteem.
You know.
Apart esikoleni musa ungena ema toilet because of beba bangena toilet usazikhuluma.
No mina benganankinga nokuthi uyangithuka uthi ngistabane. Into yangenza ukuthi ngasangena ama toilet uyilento engisho ukuthi bavula I toilet ngise toilet if beba semnyango bakungimemeza but we stabane in benye ngize ngibe nenkinga. You understand? Mase baqala bayenza iaction into engidinayo mina ukuthi why mele baze bavule isiphi isidingo. You understand? Anginankinga nomuntu mangibiza ngestabane mina shem ngibizwe kangaki ngestabane empilweni nami sengizokhaliswa uwe hayibo. Sure uba ngisho ukuthi special.
Yeah. And recently it was your birthday. Boenzani, how was it?
It was nice shem mengenza ibrahim ngabiza abangani bami enclose nabo. Yeah.
I was telling to make it a big thing, maybe like an event or something. Do you wish like would sometime maybe ibenjalo whatsoever?
Maybe next year maybe. Yeah.
Okay, and let's get into your family also now, because there was a video wenzile ubabiza nge-supportive family like to mhlambe I-hate mhlambe nokuyithola ku social media yini iziphi izinto abazicontributayo obviously ukuthi mhlambe nawe ungagcini mhlambe uba like mhlambe because ezinye izinto bakhona abantu uthola ukuthi umuntu uba ne depression because of into ayibone bambhalele yona ku social media or mhlambe abantu benza ama video ngawo bakhuluma izinto ezibhedayo and stuff like ifamily yakho how supportive is it like how do they support you like in throughout nje
nasho ifamily yami nami bana le likely ukuthi if maybe khona into negative for example maybe komuntu ongithukile ku TikTok bayibona kuqala then bazoqala bayenze angithi bayazi ukuthi anyeke ngize ngibone fast so bazoza kimi baqale bayenze as a joke. You understand? Then khali mina ngizohamba ngiyicheck after leyo joke ukuthi okay kusho siloku sihleka into eso. You understand? Bayangisupporta shem like bayangisupporta yo nokuhlala phansi nobaba mangijayile ukuthi lento uyenze ngoba uyathanda so you better face ama consequences azana lento lem awuna choice anyways because akenge manje bayakuthuka so uyadelete then kuphela kanjalo.
Your mom, you speak much about your dad. Your mom.
Angihlala umama inkinga ileyo.
Do you visit her?
Yes. But yo nginesikhathi. Ngamgcina okay not exactly. Okay January, ngamgcina January. Lapho uhlala eFoslokas. Ukuze ngiba busy shami yo. Mara sakhuluma yo.
Efonini.
Yeah.
Okay. And kunento ngifuna like explain yona because mina I don't know what were they implying mabanbiza ngama pride gender. Why you guys like are called ama pride gender, especially kuma TikTok lives?
Pride gender.
Yes.
Ngaqala ukuzwa lolu gama.
Uyaqala ukulizwa?
Pride gender.
Galo nawe. Okay.
Ngaqala ukulizwa
Ay, but lento le omunye wazi, please comment down below. Akhona ama lives
Exactly,
where they do
basichazele.
where they do say these words, and I thought you are aware of it actually.
Hayi umuntu ohamba ama live uGalo. Mina she ngiba
Ah,
live
nawe.
ku account ami. Mina ngiba live ku account ami or ku account yakhe kuphela. Wena wonke umuntu ungangile wonke umuntu uyazazi makabhorekile angena kuma live I request afuna abafana nje are in search of boys. That's why bekhona into besicalile iBoys O'Clock beyiqala ngo10
Kwenzakalani lapho?
siba live soyi2
Okay.
then soyi2 na invite aba boys.
Okay.
Yeah, my boys ayashela ayenzani afuna like nje sa invite if sometimes senze panel yabo sifake nama girls sifake nama boys sihlala ama game kuyashelwana kuyenzwanani Boys O'Clock.
Iqalo bani lento le?
Yimi.
manje niya recruiter
Soyi2 as recruit. Sa invite. Ngalelo langa kuphela.
iphelela lapho ayikude
Kanjani like into eqhubekayo.
like ukuthi niziniye kuma inbox
Shem iphelela lapha and ebhlungu ukuthi ne labantu abangenayo basuke bayitshela ukuthi like say kuma inbox like ba text shema ngifuna uqamba manga
Yeah.
ba send ama number bayenzeni iso no shem because as after lapho siyakhohlwa nokuthi konje bengikhuluma nawe uyayibona
okay
mele sisasa ezomdlalo shem kini
Yeah,
jokes
ne?
efal
But you can find your soulmate there.
yeah
No.
because someone you catch my feelings
Yeah.
khona
ay
lapho.
maka cash
Hey,
ay
Oh,
maka
now ukeshile ngosesikoleni.
esikole like leyo.
Are you currently dating or someone obuka abe like mhlambe azokwazi ukufaka iCV?
Okay, I'm not dating but ngiku talking stage nje enye emasimba kabi. Iyathembisa lo.
Yeah. Uyamthanda nalo.
Mthanda.
Okay. Then let's talk about your TikTok besties. Usive
Oh.
Mdwabe no official Galo. Uba noma zeqala lapho
No
vele.
TikTok besties ngokuthi ubeke kahle futhi cala phansi.
Okay. Is it okay your friends gay?
Exactly.
Okay.
Not friends. My friend, friend ami nayi kuphela. Ngazi
Ha!
wena.
Okay.
Hayi la.
Uba noma zeqala phakathi kaSive no
Galo.
Uhlangana kanjani no Galo?
Yo angisakhumbuli. Asikhumbuli soyi2.
Galo, ukhumbula mhlambe yena maybe yena uyakhumbula.
Uyakhumbula Chom?
Uyakhumbula?
Exactly. Asikhumbuli soyi2. Nashe
Okay.
mangikhumbula ngifuna uqamba manga.
Okay, can you come on the mic?
Suku.
Yeah, you can come
The
there.
day we met,
Yeah.
like we were not like popular like now.
Oh.
So we met
okay.
like 2 years ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh ngathi ngiyakhumbula. After your birthday.
No, we met
Face to face. But face
No, indlela enihlangane ngayo nje.
ukuthi
Not even like
sisazane.
face to face
Oh,
with
hayi,
Nazan
lapho
and stuff.
asikhumbuli.
Yeah?
Lapha sikhumbuli shem.
Yeah, ne? Oh. Okay.
Khumbuli.
And then you guys were once called the Kumalos. What happened to it and iqale kanjani?
Besifuna ukuphumela okushini. Besifuna ukuphumela okushini hle. Kanti awusathanda wathi no. Ngahlala elokushini nina. Ayo. Iyahlekisa le ndaba njalo every time.
Serious?
Yo. Besifuna ukuphumela okushini bandla. Besizama impilo. Kanti impilo inzima.
Ayizameki.
Nakho phela.
Ubani oze with that whole idea? You're the Kumalos.
Banjom. Hayi.
Uwe.
Yimi nje mina ifana nami vele. Yimi.
Okay. There were circulating clips of wena no Galo fighting Goma lives. What happened? Iqale kanjani this thing?
Okay, the first fight
Yeah.
khona la khona sala sokuqala
Okay.
labo besingalo
Oh.
into besiyiplanile you understand ukuthi soyenza sona so since kuba ama holidays like bese sikhathele ukuthi anjalo abuthando nabo Sasha bayadwa nathi manje besifuna ukuthi you understand
And they were trending at the time.
exactly sasa ayisho miyithi laba yabo hayi sala then leyo 2
Yeah.
bese silwa kamampela ke lapho mpela into yokudlala
Lesikhathi sen I think
Sekungene
besenhlanganisa
nale enye
sengena
Chomi.
no Piu bano Piwe.
lapho besilala khona le enye bese ngene nalomshilo lo oqala ukuthi
Okay.
umngani wami
Yeah.
mase khona nayo ugel
Oh.
bese kuliwa kamampela
So
Benibanga
vele
nomfana
next
benlola ini kahle kahle
no bani
wena no Galo. Kulesi 2 like maseniwa like ngempela like yini eyenzakele?
le busuza lela ukuthi I felt like uGalo okay bengi wrong ne as
Okay.
a friend yakalo
Okay.
ukuthi ngaba umngani kaGalo then ngakhatha uGalo off angizange amkhatha exactly but bese singasakhulumi like besikhuluma ngakhona before yabo so umngani kaGel uGalo wayenza lento ayenzile kimi then sahlukana zange saphinda saba abangani then kuleyo break up yethu yakamngani kaGalo nami uGalo wa inherit shuthi babile bamtshela amanga labamtshele wona azange azaza kimi as ichomi yakhe wazongibuza wahamba uyiba live ke walwa
Oh.
exactly salwa kanjani
And did he beat you up cause hey
Ubani?
ngomthembisa ne police station
Ubani?
Galo when?
lapho beku ijoke
Oh, cause he said it was the first one vele
First
ndi
one,
lakho
yeah.
nabomtshela. Oh. Yo, but it didn't look like a joke. Eh?
exactly
Yo, and then kule event ka Jezik, what happened there?
angifuna ungena enkingeni nothing happened
Cause allegedly kuthiwa yiyo enye into futhi engathi yeah.
okay what happened is ne ba promise uGalo ukuthi bazomnikeza rider
Okay.
you understand bebambukile then ngamncedisa ukuthi shoot enye i-promo video for the event yabona when you get them khona itafula lama influencer understand so you are asking ukuthi who are the influencers because uGalo nangu la you understand because bebakhuluma noGalo kahle kahle mina I was helping uGalo to promote the event as umngani kaGalo ngithi vele masifika phambili bazo accommodate maybe namba ngibonga ukuthi like umsizile or something understand nakhona bengasa as long nje bebam considerishile sifika lapha sisazula kufunana ne rider akutholakali I rider nje like ngathi ezinye like besiyisona nje mafuna ucama manga sebaletha ngathi bokuyibhodlela belisele phansi kwe fridge yeah baletha bamnikeza
So lento lebe banthembise yona yiyo engenzakalanga.
exactly
Damn.
exactly
So you guys were played kahle kahle.
lento le engizwile compared to lento engitholile masifika izinto nje ezingafani umlungu nomuntu omnyama ngiyachazela mina ngitshela ukuthi bengazi ukuthi amashushu like bengitshela ukuthi hey ngoshuba lapha
Yeah.
lapha yamele uclean isisu if I overdose castor oil uye nga overdose castor oil ngayenzani
Only to find out ukuthi
hayi mase kumele sibuze kuyabalekwa siphithiphithi akufuna ukuyixoxa but ke mina bengingahlangana nayo le event sengakhuluma nje ngoba nakho I was there and bengingiphathanga kahle obvious kalanye kaza khuluma because safuna ukumaintain ama relationship nabanye abantu because obvious maybe imphathanga kahle maybe understand isile bamtshela ukuthi sona so but mina ke because ayingiphathanga kahle ayinye ngize ngifihle bandla ngicocile
yo and ni promoted le event bafethu.
exactly
Nisebenze hard like yeah to promote and uye phela umuntu bekabiziwe and then nomsiza ukuthi let's get this event
You
out
understand?
there kahle kahle. Only to find out ukuthi even nezinto nje sezona ansazithuli.
Sana it happens sibancane phela ngithi asina manager asina team abantu abangasikhulumela so bayazenzela
Wena wangana manager kahle kahle.
mina isho benginama manager uzakuxoxela
Yeah.
manager ukuqala like ngingami ukuthi like angifuni ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi ngenzeni because uzongibhora. You understand? Benginayo manager ukuqala. Oh, like hlezi iza nama ideas asenze ngabe ngizaa phela so senza iPlayStation uyasicontrol phela ngamshiya phansi and funny enough sibe nama manager ayi1 bas manager soyithu
Yeah.
until ke saba ngaba ice pop haba ugalo wasiphatha ngaziphatha.
So manje like awu consider ukuba na manager. Oh kuyo depend ukuthi umuntu wakhona uzo actor kanjani because angithi uthola umuntu like ufuna ukucontroller akushintshe like afuna ukwenza ukuthi wenze ngendlela yakhe.
Ngiya consider ke kuba ne manager ne but ibo umuntu wasekhaya angithi nginabo sithi abanye abasebenzi bakhona so ngifuna ukubafaka ba understand omunye sekazi understand so kancane we are getting them.
Okay. And then what happened between you and Usive Ndwabe? What happened? What happened between you and Usive?
Ungangishayi nechomi mangizoyixoxa lendaba because ngiyabazofuna ukungishaya futhi again ungangishayi like
Wakushaya ngempela?
senginama lawyer manje.
Wakushaya? Damn.
Hayi ngipami 1 hayi ngezi 2 hayi ngezi 3 ayizing 4 maqedwa ukuthi ku social media wathi bekahle uthi week yakhe sengaze ngikhalithwa ukuthi uthathe week yakho. Okay, what happened singichaze.
Okay.
Ngingayicala nizoba indaba ende ngicala from that day.
No, iqaleni. People wanna know. We don't know the full story. I don't know the full story.
Ngizoyicala like ekuqaleni ayikho interesting like
Okay,
bese ngabangani nani apparently. So wangitext anem mina ngisuku kumama ngivakashela mama ngithi ngihlala la kahle home so uDecember. Ngumama mami ngizitshelile ukuthini ama week wami ngiyawashiya ekahle home because benyeke ngize ngi-install iFoslocals awukho la ngi-install khona ngi-install mangise kahle home understand angithathanga ama week angithathanga nje anything understand angitext this other time athi khona lesalo nefuna ukuthi siyishutele you understand siyishutele so you okay but mina anginayinwele understand because inwele zami zisekahle home unless maybe if uyeza ueda istop ekhaya uthatha inwele hayi nazi inwele ezikhona ezi extra ezumngani uyasho unazi inwele ezikhona ezi extra nanani ngithi okay shoot uzonginikeza zona ke because uyos also offerile wathi ngizokunikeza inwele ezikhona ezi extra ngathi okay ngizogcoka zona it's fine afike ekhaya mama welcome you understand thola vele khona ama cousin wami aloka buza ama question ababuzayo bam welcome eculo leyo ngoma leya uyayibona leya leya ka export ngiyadlala ala Choma zongishaya and bangishaya ngiyabuya ngizala kule podcast uyangikhapha se police station sombophisa because yo lamntana uyaklapha kadlala yo afike ekhaya bam welcome sharp sambe se aphe iBolt abadala iBolt yokuthi sisuke elweni because mina wangitshela that time benganamali understand I told him ukuthi mina I don't have money unless lo muntu lo wasalon uzosboltela understand because mina I don't have money as a rich auntie washo ukuthi hayi khona imali sobolt ngathi okay rich auntie asambe aBolt asambe sifike esalon senze makeup and everything na and that day bekhona omnye umuntu engimaziyo akusitsho myami
Okay.
but umuntu engimaziyo athi beka hosta khona enye iclub eseJoza ngenze ngishikama layo eyama gamer beka hosta there yabo athi ufuna ukuthi like ngiphulapi if like ngizobe ngiseJoza nana so ngakhumbula after kwenza makeup because bese ngayindawo yabo ngamtshela ngathi asiye eJoza asiye ku that club and we said to the salon maybe walking distance yabo walking distance because blessa work siye esalon siye eclubini after makeup and everything ngenza inwele zakhe ngiyababa ngigele babayo sifike masifika kushuthi like ugeli angayenzi lento lena besivumelane ngayo understand ukuthi kitla ufa rider into nakhona bengasinto ukuthi ngiya beso check yabona ukuthi like what's going on before samba yabo athi kimi asambe sizule wonke le ndawo angizabona ukuthi mabone kunjani asambe sizule yonke le ndawo ngithi okay it's fine sambe masifika kule ndawo le athenge ama-shots angimcelanga ukuthi athenge ama-shots
Okay.
angi-offer i-shots ngiphuze sisuke kule ndawo sekuleya athenge shots angi-offer i-shots ngiphuze sisuke kule ndawo sekuleya athenge shots ngimtshela ukuthi mina sengi-right yabo aqale afume akhulume ama-shots adura kangaka seningaze ningafuni ukuphuza ama-shots ngimtshela ukuthi mina ngishaphi then siye kwenye indawo sofuthi laphaya-ke bayangazi indawo leyo ithenga ama-shots for mina yabo then-ke baphuze shapu sesahamba ne apparently indoda okay ngathi apparently because I was there indoda beyimfuna ithi azi you understand so sesahamba masama kanjalo like isibancane wayesesegrovini ngalesikhathi lesi sibuye egrovini ngalesikhathi lesi because kumele sibe ngaphandle so sindlule kwenye igroove futhi masibuya ngithi asimeni la sifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalana nama vibes yabona ayisangena vele ayisibophi abantu yabo ngiyashuta kwenzakalana nje ngibusy thing yabo yena usaphethwe istress ukuthi indoda phela
Yamfona.
yangibadla yabo sharp suke lapho bese kathi ku Bolt and imoto leya besama ngayo beyibhadalwe lo muntu lo ngibizile lapha ya labe bangibizile lapha kule club ukuthi ngize yiba babhadale imoto so kumoto yimi ugeli lo ngibizile emuva ne yimi ugeli nomngani kaGeli siba yi3 enhle phambili kule ku passenger seat so sesasuka kule groove leyo busithuna siyahamba masama kanjalo lo muntu lo sama naye lo mngani wami lo ngibizile lapha chomi akusichomi yami but like nento ukuthi mangikwazi ngibiza ngochomi yami so uyi transgender and my transgender apparently kumele uphuza ama hormones akumelanga uwamise you understand amanye amaphilisi so waphuzayo sizondlula ngasi garage so uyangitshela uchomi ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungitshelele because bese kajahile usive yabo ngithi mina ngicela ukuthi ungitshelele usive ukuthi kusho ugel usho kimi utshela mina as umngani ka Sive ukuthi maybe ngizokwazi ukukhuluma no Sive cela ungitshelele uSive ukuthi ngicela ukumama egarage ngithenge amanzi athi yimi nayo ngizokuthengela iPie cause uthulambile yabo so mina ngithola opportunity ukuthi ayibangithengela iPie cause plus ngilambile yabo ngithi hayi chomi ngicela ukuthi simeni yabo yimi sengitshele chomi yami phela ngicela ukuthi simeni egarage sithenge namanzi ufuna ukuphuza amalona cause ngizwe njengoba siza so ngizwe uyena uSive akhuluma no drive ukuthi mina sengamane ngigcwaliselele imali abayibhadalile yeBolt ukuthi uqale ngami cause ngijahile yabo so mina I'm like cela ukuthi simeni la fast sifuna ukuthenga amanzi if khona umuntu obhadalile imali yeBolt ngizoyibhadala back it's okay jiya bheke emuva azuthini wena akusinhlamba lento engishilo ngithe asimeni egarage sifuna ukuthenga amanzi if khona umuntu obhadala iBolt ngizoyi replace abheke mfethu uthini wena ngithathe ngithi ngiyaphendula ngithi hayibo ngithi ngicela simeni phampa ama yokuqala
Emotweni?
Yebo wena yakwondla wena obhadalelwa yimama Bolt wena hey iBolt ayibhadalile ibekile ukuthi siye eloneni ne
Le groove yokuqala.
yeah na khona amanye ama Bolt ababhadalile apparently angisakhumbuli mina
Allegedly eyizosibopha.
abheke emuva futhi ubheki angithi and ungishaya ngesandla esiwani ndiwa strong ngakhona bheki pha and makalo kangishaya sone uloku uyakhuluma bhadalela ama Bolt wena in ngoba us4 adonse inywele and manje installile phela idlu ibhlungu yabo bheke phambili abusiness phone yakhe aqale kakhuluma ayi1 sengasaba nama into engizoyikhuluma manje noma ngabathi bese bengifuna ukumphindisela amandla wakhe shem anginawo nje amandla wakhe phela lo muntu ulingana nobhuti wami ifirst born kama mama you understand so mangizoshaya ubhuti wami kangishaya ngiyahlonipha phela ubhuti wami ngithatha njengoba baba wami understand mangizoshaywa umuntu olingana nobaba wami so then ngubani so ngazithulela mina wayihlutha ke inwele wakhuluma ayi1 bamehlise emotweni bo saqhubeka ngendlela wafika la yakhona wayehla sasuka ke sihamba sayikhaya sama nabantu laba besemotweni yabo siye ekhaya sayehla safika mama abantu abasemotweni sebayaqala batshela mama phela naku bashaya umntanakho yabo and thina sami lukhuza nathi samsaba you understand mama thathi phone you understand cause like uconcerned ukuthi why uzoshaya umntanami like why usatha bisipini soshaya umntanami
Amkele remember.
kahle exactly
Yes.
Athathi ifoni mama first of all akayikhiphi inhlamba ngomlomo wakhe anyeke uzuza mama mathi even ufutheke akamusha mama athathe ifoni amfonele manje wayishaya umntanami cause ufike la ekhaya sikwamukele kahle mawuzofika ushaya umntanami lapho ufika khona uwazi ukuthi uwomdala uyenza kanjani umntana wakho uyadelela umntana wakho yinsha ufana nawe he athukuma mama efonini yazwa mama msakathulile manje athi usile sizokulanda ini yabasazama kumthusa ukuthi sisozana amaphoyisa ini noma ngingazana amaphoyisa so yasimele uyazi futhi ekhaya loyo Bobby loyo umntana wakho uyadelela anyakaza indawo ngempilo etini sithi phelile kusasa ekseni sivuswa iparagraph engaka
wenzani
angithi umfonele ngoWhatsApp mama ngamanamba akhe mama sho ukuthi ekseni makavuka send iparagraph engaka tshela mama ndiwani IQ level elo ngakhona the way mama isidididi ngakhona the way angondle ngakhona the way yena ku account yakhe kune 30, something thousand ngakhona mina ngubana engize ngendawo ngempilo ngithulile like mina okay ngayenzani angithi besibuya ukuyoshuta lapha kumele sipromote obviously sekukusasa kakhona avuke kusasa kakhona ekseni a post story ku TikTok as I love you so much uposta mina exactly ngazibuza ngazi kwenzakalani like senzani so bengafuni ukuthi abantu badideke mina ngaposta ivideo eyami ye makeup then ku caption ngabhala ukuthi leya video lo muntu loya osona so ungishayile so asisazwani ngasho kanjalo kuphela abantu bafuna caption bama baye kuma video ke wakhe baqala ba post and then angithi by that time kuye beka na iPhone so ama video bekawathathile abantu ngaba TikTok kwanza upost ama video antswempu nabantu abantswempu ayatrenda so ke yena ama video akhe bewatrenda kakhulu because bekhona abantu abantswempu angizange ngathi bekhona abantu kule video but bekhona umuntu ontswempu
okay
exactly washuta waposta atrenda ama video abantu seba ku comment section bathi wayimshayile washaya umntana in aqala athi angishayanga abhale iparagraph abhale ifirst comment yakhe athi angizange ngamshaya mina uBobby nana ngizoba live ngichaza story sami in sharp I pinake mau comment ecala ku video yakhe ihlala phezulu so mawungena ku comment section abantu ayibonayo you understand abantu abangena comment section bayibona aqala so iba nama likes amaningi ukuthi abantu bayibona yabo abe live ikushuthi vele azange ayibona live yakhona achaza story asichazayo apparently azange ngishaya ngihluthi week kuphela into ichaziwe ileyo abe live like the whole week chazwana nento eyi1 khulunywana noBobby akayenzi next akakhuluma after mangibona ukuthi uchazile shuthi abantu ba believe le video le live le ayishilo ukuthi angimshaya ngoBobby nanani ngidelete video mina le ngipostile ukuthi ngishayile in ngisazen singiphume kulomuntu completely ngidelete video like ngithi angisaze ngeni indlulile yabona I be live lama langa lawa ayahamba uba live kula khona ngathi bekuyi Friday ba recruit uGalo sho ukuthi ufika kuGalona ufika ngokuthini umama kaBobby ukuhlebile kimi ufika usho kanjalo umama kaBobby ukuhlebile kimi
allegedly
not allegedly akunanto ezoboshwa angithi I was there mina I ngama screenshots angithi ne paragraph yakhe khona ku phone yami
ziyakhara ke manje okay
so,
yeah
athi and into engidilise leyanto le bengipostile kuqala ngithi mengi ku social media after maqeda ubona story sakhe I love you my friend ngasho ukuthi ungishayile lo muntu lo so abantu bangadidwa ukuthi umpost ukuthi I love you my friend angimazi umuntu onjani mina what so and whatsoever alone no sana nyakhaza sakhuluma ngalo muntu lona yo
yeah
benyapi like why bengize ngizema uba ichomi yakhe from the start sekumina ngichaze man
yeah people also wanna know yeah continue
achaze abe live kena ahambe ba record uGalo angithi Galo kaba live kulelo viki lelo ba record uGalo nabathe uGalo kushuthi wangifonela asufuna ukungibuza fona mbeyicimile you understand angizange ayibona nemiss call yakhe uGalo ukuthi mina ubila ngifonela asungfonela lafuna ukungibuza ukuthi manje hayi mama kangihleba nani yabo how and umuntu lokubukela lama video lawo umama mina ngibablockile ngiblockile usive ne so mama ngifuna ukubona la update ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona ukuthi invested ufuna ukwazi ukuthi like usakhuluma uthini because umshayeli kuphelile then why asakhuluma azange sambophisa azange samenza anything uthi mama nje phuma yabona ipower ukuthi ngiziphindiselele benginayo 100% angizange ngayisebenzisa because bese ngasafuni into engihlanganisa naye at all you understand babe live angena ngaloku live mama mbukela mama kayispop njengoba mdala kangaka busy uthukana nabantwana mama kayispop ngimthembe kangaka thukana sephoqa umama wami ku live mama mbukeli sekuthukana nomama wami ku live hayi ba busy nomama wami ba busy we understand ukuthi sekudelelwa umama manje so mina ngikwathi ile effect ukuthi ugalo ngenelana usive mina bengize ngimphendule you understand uyenze into ayenzile it's okay ngikwathi ukuthi ugalo ungenapi because after everything happened ngatshela yena kuqala ukuthi ichoma yakho siphela sengishayile uyayibona ngatshela yena kuqala kwaba ngazathi uyazolana nami ukuthi chomi askisi na only to find out ukuthi kusho ukuthi umuntu uhappy ngibe live kusasa kwakhona nakhona angina phone by that time bengabi nefone le phone phela ngithenge ngasikudala so ngithole vele i video khona mambe kabukele i video le live video mameli balu bakhuluma kusasa khona ngivele ngidecide ukuthi nazi let me block ugalo everywhere ngazi block angizange ngibuza anything ngamblock kusasa khona umama kubuke uTikTok yabo abe live ugalo asipho njengoba ngiblock ucabanga ukuthi at the end of the road in hayibo like bese ngidele like seningisukela mai kakhulu because ungisukelile wathuka ngoma wakhuluma ngomama yenzani ngakublock kahle so uthi maye ice pop njengoba ngiblockile utshela ukuthi anye ngikwazi ukuphila in I've been here in ngathi maye seyadelelana kanti kuzofika usisi wami that day ngacela phone yakhe ngaloga in ngama details wami ngaba live ula khona ke sengithokana noGalo uzive angizange aze ngamkhuluma nangaye kule live leya ngichazile ukuthi ungishayile if abantu ba believe story sakhe is okay yabona ngachubeka ngoGalo mina ye sayisolve noGalo kuleyo live leyo because khona umngani wethu sona wayisolve yasolveka ikoloko
So were you ever like a friend with uSive obeka umngani kaGalo kuphela? Were you guys friends?
Yeah.
Were you guys friends?
Yes, we were friends but mina
But umaze ngoGalo uSive.
Ngize ngizomazi uGalo uSive besiphuma eCroven noGalo yezwa kusasa kwakhona iSunday so ngiya kuGalo bengisekhaya ngisoyikhanya kuGalo ngisinyo check uGalo sifika kuGalo na vele sekwenye indawo sone sithenge utshwala mase ngitshela kanjalo kuphuzo na uSive athext uGalo sho ukuthi ubonile ukuthi unami am text athi likokayi wozani ngizonthengela mabiri amamona na okay sharp kula khona sekuyila video le yakhona le video le besicula le yangoma le mina no Carlos Space ama brutal fruit and aphethe ice trapeze le ngathi besiphuma emotweni or something understand mawaqeda ukungitshela ngaye mina bengimazi ne but bengamazi kangaka understand then ngacala ngabukela ama video akhe then I came across the video le yacula le ngoma leyo sukuthi ngayithanda ngalokho ngicula kakhulu yabo lokho ngicula silokhu sinabo Galo masifika lapha mangehle emotweni immediately ngayicala ingoma sayicala kanjalo kula khona wayishoot video yakho but why poster after yabo base sihlangene futhi ke sesongena ngase gate ay sicule sesi-dream uGalo naye ayabona sicule le ngoma leyo kube into ezinjalo then sichile vele kakhe sizule yabona yeah then after lapho wang invite her maybe after I think 2 weeks after wang invite her ukuthi seCroven ngamtshela ukuthi I don't have money mina one thing about me if anginayo imali ngizokutshela ukuthi I don't have money wathi ngimi angizange ngifuna imali yakho why sure they ngisho ngakhona angizange ngifuna imali yakho mina the only thing I'm asking is for you to be here. I will do your makeup ngizokwenza inwele when I just come I will cover everything. That's okay. Good shot. Ngazela kuchomi yami ngibheka ichomi yami that time ngisho ukuthi like umngani ngaya kuchomi mina kwaba zintshilo kwaba zi vibes
then kwenzakala lento yonke lenza again. Damn.
Biyawo ngicela bathi angimshayanga ubaba angimshayanga okay. La kulamntana uhlakaniphile yabona nama ngisasho akekho umuntu ohlakaniphe njengalo yamntana like yabona namanje ngiyamvuma shema angimkwatelanga angimzondi but angeke ever in my life ngithi maybe ngithi hello kuyo or something no
serious
mina ngiphumile nje like kakhulu ngabathi une 5 million sofuna ukungithengela imoto uzoyi drive
uzodrive ubani
yena moto yakhe
So ufuna ukuxolisa ngemoto.
Sengiyasho ngenza example ukuthi
Oh,
noma
if
ngaba une
makungenzeka.
5 million ufuna ukungithengela
Oh.
imoto maybe
Yeah.
uzoyidrive.
Angeke drive on.
Ayeke abantu ayibangazibuzi if azangishaya then why ngizokwatela ukuthi uthathe iweek ngaze ngikwatela ukuthi ugolo uhlutha iweek yakhe ngize ngikwatela like singabangani saxabana understand mangabe uthathe iweek yile nto eyenzakala but ukuthi ubeke isandla kimi guy 1 uphinde ubuye futhi goba us2 ubuye futhi goba us3 kanjalo kudala ungiaimile dala ufuna ukuyenza into obufuna ukuyenza so bokuyisikhathi sakhe sokushine washine. And like bebakwatile ekhaya yazi phela bangishayela eFoslokazi bangishayela ngisuka eFoslokazi ekhaya like ahlong baze after sekuloku kuyenza ama live kutrend ukuthi ulona ushayiwe sona so baze after phela mina nginabo malume nabo bhuti so bebakwata into okudlala like bebakwatile to the point ukuthi bebaze bafuna like ukuthi bayompatreka eromini lakhe la hlala khona. Understand? Ngawatshela ngathi it's pointless mama watshela wathi miyekeni like asikho isidingo miyekeleni nje so but impilo iyazilungisela labo Clever wena angabe utshela ukuthi uClever uJohn Cena impilo le akuseka kini unfortunately
Yo,
ikho lokho.
wako waba ne best friend like in your life? Did you like ever had someone ombiza nge best friend? Serious?
I do nginayo
Ubani?
omunye umntana swangifuna naye
Ubani kama lakhe?
Phumla Mdoda.
Phumla Mdoda. Okay, no problem. Usive, he was just a friend nje.
Friend like namanje I fail to understand ukuthi umuntu ifriend kanjani ungalazi igama lami mangambuza igama lami lamampela ubani akazi wazi uIce Poppy then my ifriend kanjani umuntu la alazi igama lamampela ulazi ngoba maybe sengishilo or maybe ulitho somewhere but akazi angibiza ngofanfani ngothembelani or ngoayand akakazi.
After yonke le drama lena into ifundile like wena.
Yo.
Okay, so undlule yonke le experience ufundeni and iziphi izinto ungayishi like uzoyi like how are you gonna like prevent such thing in the future like from happening? Let's first start ngokuthi ufundeni kuqala.
Ngifunda ukuthi iba abangani nabantu abaku level yakho understand. For example mina nogalo like ziningi izinto ezishare like izinto ezisimila lapha empilweni zethu understand. Akekho rich angikho rich abekho rich ekibo angikho rich ekhaya ayikho into angangichomela ngayo okasina kunyamondla ngayo nama ayikho into engayenza kanjalo like sasifanele mina nogalo shem like into engifundile ukuthini ube umngani nomuntu oku level yakho hayi omdala hayi omncane oku level yakho oku age yakho nje. Arathi bazokuklapa bazonishaya la ngaphandle yo bazonibeka ngeinqindi angifuni qamba manga.
So how serious mawuthi uzombophisa vele?
Ubani?
Yena.
Yes. Mina like bengisakwatile ngifuna umama like wangitshela wathi like miyeke it's okay miyekele like miyeke so makashayini isikhathi sakhe sokushayina miyekele. But intanga zakhe ziyamthola one day. Angithulanda abantwana. Intanga zakhe ziyamthola.
But there's something also that I realize about you, Anne. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Like, yabona, abantu abaningi, like if someone like do you bad, like it is expected of you ukuthi vele mhlambe if mhlambe umuntu or public figure ukuthi ukhulume ngayo vele ukuthi ubani manje ungenze so especially uma kuyintombi vele you see because vele that's where you get to take the shine.
Yabona njengoba manje futhi ngichaza le ndaba bajabule kabi dala bayifuna kudala not even ilanga eliwani ngisina ngibhorikile ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo no.
So I was still saying, but also there was this live of yours engayibona futhi umusho ukuthi okondlile uDecember wonke bekayibread
vele hayibo kanti kusebenza kanjani angeke uthi hayibo uvela kuyena makathi ungondlile kushuthi yiko ukungondla kwakhe bekuyilokho
yeah
athenga amakota nje ukudla ngidlile kwakhe bekuyikota nale time lesibesilapha
yeah
senze inwele wathenga iplate yeah kuphela nani yeah only and ngaka namhla yiloko kudla ngibone nje ngondlekile sule iloko kudla lokho like ngisasuthi namanje ngagcina lapho ukudla mina
Allegedly.
mafra
Serious.
ngagcina lapho
Ay, awungitshele vele. Asike sifundise abantu today. Asike siphume kuleyo. Ane? Asike sifundise abantu today. Yini difference between iwiki neweave?
okay iwiki ilezi zabo mama bethu bazibona lezi ezinekaus khona angithi bafaka i-closure
Yeah.
iwiki inekaus like ilezo ogcoka njengesigcoka amaqeda ufaka ikepisi
Yeah.
yeah iwiki leyo then i-weave ile iba ne
Frontal.
exactly frontal
Okay.
Then yini nama hairline? Both.
i-frontal bayakwazi ukuyikhipha so kuthi bayenze i-hairline like bayikhasa inywele so then bayenze i-hairline yeah but iwiki ayenzeki i-hairline because usuke uyifaka nani nesigqoko ukuthi ingawi because ayibalanseki
Okay.
unfortunately
Okay. I want us to play a game, ane?
okay
I think sisemaphethelweni manje. I want us to play a game. A game it's called One Must Go. You only choose one and why. Ane? Okay. Sizoqala ngo Chubby Doll or Watermelon and why. One must go.
watermelon must go
Okay.
asikhulumi kangako shem Chubby Doll is my friend like sakhuluma
Umazi nini Chubby Doll?
yosenginesikhathi ngimazi ne but like nakhona asikhulumi into eserious no just that uthi nje I fuck with her you understand she's my girl no watermelon is my girl show me angisho kanjalo friend ngibheka kuliya ngisivele angisho kanjalo friend uyazi ngiphethe big time just that uthi nje asikhulumi no watermelon jam angazi why we don't talk.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Kuzu Kelo, Kellogg's, or Fafasta. One must go. And why?
Fafasta.
Okay.
Fafasta must go. Yo, cabanga sengibaba sengihambisa uKellogg's. No Fafasta. Angazi ngakhuluma Fafasta ke.
Serious. But ngibonile bo promoter I
Bogi girlfriend yakhe.
Oh. Wow.
Bengize girlfriend yakhe. Yiyo yakhuluma nami.
Oh.
Hayi Fafasta exactly.
Okay. Okay. Then let's go to the next one. Uneo Malapane or Ulebo Henkumalo. One must go. And why?
Why?
Ziakal.
Hayi bo ekhamba mina.
Agwaz.
Hayi bo kanjani? No, Lebo must go, Shem, show me askis, but no from ekaleni yabona ngicela ukufaka iwiki ngafaka uNeo from nje uNeo is my girl like I love Neo so much love him so much uLebo ngimaze manje ngasekudala understand chomi yami ngabi nayo
Okay.
but uNeo kule uyahlala.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Ivy Black or Bobby Blanco. One must go. And why?
Oh,
Zakala.
Ivy Black or Bobby Blanco.
Yeah. One must go.
Sana. And I was going to choose just that ukuthi angazi ukuthi khambe bani.
But kunzima because I was kambe bani was.
I think Ivy Black must go. I love Bobby Blanco so much. I love him so much.
Waka waba naye ku altercation.
Yes.
Bekwenzakaleni lapho?
Dala ngizenza nami besilwa yo azi besasilwelani.
But akwenzeki inilwela indoda nina ne?
Mina angilwela abafana shem unfortunately no.
Uyabathanda impela kodwa.
Kodwa ukubalwela cabanga sesilwa sithukana ngenxa nje yomuntu oyiwani umfana. Bangaka emhlabeni. Hayi.
So benilwelani ke no Bobby Blanco?
Oh ukalo the time nesisilwa kaMadlala mina naye. Wafaka uBobby Blanco. So bengifuna i reason yokuthi abantu mabangibuza ukuthi why ulwa noGalo ngizwa ngifanisa noBobby Blanco. So Bobby Blanco okay waba nebhadi wathola ukulwa kanjalo. Exactly.
Okay, manje are you on good terms naye u?
Yeah. Sakhuluma.
Oh, okay. Okay. Eish. Yo, mfethu, ayike into engihlula njenge spade or isuthu. I'm going to show you this name, ane. But ukamogelo bani sekobani.
Kamogelo Sikubani.
Yeah, Kamogelo. Check this name out. I can't. Kamogelo Olesigo. Kamogelo. What's this? I think it's a.
Oh, lo kamu dance for you.
Yeah, lo hlala ujive naye. Yeah, no
Enjive nayo.
Yeah, lo hlala upost ama video naye, challenge ngama dance. Yini nenza ama dance challenge if I'm not mistaken. Nenzani?
I've never.
Hawu.
Kamogelo.
There's a video yakho nisesikoleni angizofunda naye.
Unaledi ngwana papa.
But ku social media ukamogele mos kuma socials wakhe, it's this name.
Akusuki. Long jive nayo. Unayi influencer ngithi.
Yeah, you want me to show me the video?
Yeah,
Ngizobona.
show me the video.
Okay, conga iphone da. Sikhona sizokhuluma ngomuntu esimbonayo lana. Khona kuzoba simple. Cause mele ukhethe kumuntu obombonayo. Okay. Okay, while ngisasesha lo, let's go to the next one. We'll go to who's this? Usive Mdwabe or official Kalo.
Usive. Yo, ukhalela abantu.
And why?
Makahambe.
Magahaben. Why?
I don't like him. At least I'm being honest. Anyakaze angishayile ukuthi ngimthanda. Ha, ngimthanda.
Yo,
Can't blame
yeah,
him.
okay. Ilona mfethu. Olo. Bowuthi Ed now. Check.
Oh,
Igama lakhe lo libhale lapha phansi.
akusuye lona.
Ubani kahle kahle?
Lo dance creator, umuntu ozene dance. So
Oh,
I'm
umuntu-
crediting the dance creator here.
Oh.
Lo Simpiwe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's okay. I guess let's just leave that group out cause bo creditor umuntu ozene dance lap. Okay, it's cool. And then okay, enye into ke. There's one thing that I want to know also. There was this situation eyakho no Gayla se DUT. Kwenzakalani lapha ya?
Honestly speaking, ne?
Mm.
Yeah, maybe galo or something, ne? But mina I shem bengalwi naye. Okay, bengasukuthi ukliwa or something. What happened
Okay.
uthini? Wayenza ivideo.
Yeah.
Ne? Angazi azifanisa namagay, understand? Angazi mina phela ngifani no Ice Poppy abade like washo kanjalo. Angifani nabo Ice Poppy Khumalo abadele labazali. You understand? So bengibuza mina ukuthi like ungiqalapha ungaze lapha ngikwazi uyangazi, you understand? Then ke kwaliwa if kwaliwa angisakhumbuli. Mara kwaba ne drama thizeni. Then after the shem
Cause ngathi audience yakho yahamba unfollow nani because of that whole situation.
Yeah.
Then when I went the video ubacela ukuthi they should follow.
exactly because babile bampena. Saba right shem yazi.
But
You know one
account
thing
is still
about me?
banned mos.
Usase banned futhi. Angazi amgcina dala kumpeka ku TikTok.
While I was doing my research, the account was banned.
Mina shemkinga miyazi ukuthini noma singaxabana like like isikhathi sokuzonda umuntu anginaso. Is either ngiyaphuma or siba right. If asange saba right then ke awungaza ngikwazi noma ngabe singithola isigangeni bayangibulala uyadlula because angisena ndaba nawe nami mos. Unfortunately.
Okay. And sesizoyivala nje. What's your favorite genre? Music umamela.
Amapiano.
Ngoba ithi asifuna ukulala emakhaya.
Exactly, like silalela.
Ubona abafana.
Silalelana emakhaya.
So, yeah.
Silalelana emakhaya. Abafana bona abalali nabo bani. Exactly. Like exactly.
Okay. Okay, cool. We're about to wrap it up now. Thank you very much for coming to the show. We really
Thank you for having
appreciate.
me,
Yeah, we really appreciate what you managed to pull up on the show. So if I were to give you like a platform to talk to your audience, what would you say to them?
Ngithanda isicefe like from day one niyazi. Like I into engasho engako ne but like uthando kuphela niyazi nani. Noma ngithanda kanzima like ke one thing about me ngine hard love like ngingami leyo. Shem like ngibonga ukuthi bayangibekezelela, understand? Because sometimes nami like ngumntwana, understand, khona izinto maybe sometimes engizenza wrong engaziboni, you understand, which is bona abadala abanye ababo bayakwazi ukungicorrect, but sometimes nokuvuka inkani yami uthi uyangicorrecta ngilwise wena, understand? But ngithanda kusolo kunje like nang understand, understand? Thanda isicefe shem forever yini kuqala abafana then abazali.
And then give me your top 5 content creators that you like. The top 5.
Content creators.
Yeah. Whomever like who's in the media space for that sense.
That I like.
Yeah. Or that you admire. Or should I use the word admire?
awuphetha amagay kuphela.
Ama-gay, ayikho content creator engithandayo. Umngani wami kuphela. Yeah, official Galo number 1.
Yeah.
Omunye Litroy. Love Litroy so much. Kellogg's.
Yeah. Wow. Hey.
Yeah.
Kellogg's. Damn it.
Inja yami
Hello.
ngithanda
Angihlekisanga ngebirthday yakho athi letha le cake lesizolidla.
loyo.
Oh.
2 Ice Poppy, nyawazi kuzisho.
Yeah, you can name yourself.
Ice Poppy and Ice Poppy foods. Love myself like that.
And abanye abantu abazobabukela le video, I think it's your schoolmates or your friends. Yeah, you can give them a shout out nje yabo ukuthi babe like,
Ngisho amagama abo.
yeah, you can name them, it's okay.
Shout out to my boyfriend. Okay, actually boyfriend I'm not, but like umfana engizothini akakaze angibhulisha ever since ngamaze empilweni nami. Uhlezi angaccommodator, like love him so much. Mzizi, vuyo lwethu Mzizi.
Okay.
Then my best friend Phumla Mtoda, my close friend Philisi Wembemvu. Our classmates YouTuber Lisego. Yeah. Phela nje. The rest Gantada.
Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, you can leave your socials on that camera and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay, I'm Ice Poppy Khumalo on all social media platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. TikTok Ice Poppy _Khumalo, Instagram icepoppy.khumalo, Facebook Ice Poppy Khumalo. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out. Maybe ngathola part 2. Kuzobonakala.
Asaz. Soon though. Asaz.